Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we will explore MicroAlgo in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 22nd of April 2025, our system has identified MicroAlgo as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.42. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has faced a loss of -5.8%. This results in an average loss of -2.9% per day since being categorized as a strong sell candidate. The stock is positioned within the lower section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $7.61 is breached, it may indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase and could serve as an early warning sign of a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, there is a potential for a change of 141.84% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns varying between 98.66% and 648.45%. Extending our analysis to the longer term, our 12-month forecast suggests a projected change of -26.20%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -100% and 2016.45% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would imply a future price range between $0 and $195.98. Our latest daily update for MicroAlgo includes the headline, Volatile Ride for MicroAlgo Inc. Stock price on Wednesday, moving between $8.80 and $11.35. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price fell by 5.80% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, dropping from $9.83 to $9.26. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 28.98%, ranging from a low of $8.80 to a high of $11.35. The price has decreased in 8 out of the last 10 days, down by 50.77% during this period. Volume also fell on the last day, which typically indicates a good sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 2 million shares, with a total of 9 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $81,001,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $509.60, while the lowest was $1.11. Currently, the price is 98.18% or $500.34 below the 52-week high and 99.94% or $14,290.74 below the all-time high on the 13th of December 2022, when the price peaked at $14,300. MicroAlgo Incorporated has recently made headlines due to a significant development. WiMi Hologram Cloud increased its stake in the company to 67.65%, sharply boosting MicroAlgo's stock by 45% to $17.15. This increase not only signifies firm confidence from WiMi, but also introduces a 10-year lockup period for those shares, ensuring stability for MicroAlgo amidst market volatility. While the stock's surge reflects immediate investor optimism, the long-term outlook may hinge on MicroAlgo's ongoing innovation in quantum computing. The company is actively developing advanced algorithms to optimize the performance of quantum machines, which could position it as a key player in the technology sector. Recent projects focus on collaborative algorithms and enhancements to existing quantum search technologies, driving potential future growth. However, despite this enthusiasm, it's important to note that MicroAlgo plans to issue new shares priced at 80 cents each. This could dilute existing equity value, particularly for short-term investors. Combining WiMi's increased stake, innovative developments, and the share issuance presents a mixed picture, where initial boosts from strategic investments may be tempered by caution around share dilution and market reactions. As investors assess these dynamics, the contrasting factors could lead to fluctuations in stock performance in both the near and long term. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to MicroAlgo stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $10.02 and $10.88. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, March 31, 2025, and since then, the stock has dropped by 61.81%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lessens the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was noted 17 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal occurred 230 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal was detected 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was also registered 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals, short moving average, a sell signal was noted 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal was observed 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 31 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $8.34. Without support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk increases, as a drop below this support could lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.55 between its high and low, representing a change of 28.98%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 46.08%. Before we explore potential favorable trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's briefly examine some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This essential metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $9.83. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo faces its first support level at $8.34. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating from MicroAlgo from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 30th of September, 2024. when SBI Securities Company Limited conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and currently, there is no stop loss in place. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? The stock of MicroAlgo Inc. displays several negative indicators, and despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that MicroAlgo Inc. will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of April, we expect MicroAlgo to open higher by approximately 54 cents and begin trading at $9.80. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.